Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English. I'm Anna, your English coach. Today we're going to explore one of the most powerful and life-changing ways to learn English, the Effortless English Method by Hoge. If you've ever felt tired of grammar books, boring vocabulary lists, and endless exams, then this method might be exactly what you need. Let's dive into the 7 rules for excellent English speaking. Rule 1. Learn phrases, not individual words. When most learners study English, they memorize single words. But native speakers don't use words one by one. They use phrases. Instead of memorizing book, learn read a book. Borrow a book. Open a book. These small word groups are called chunks of English. When you learn phrases, your brain remembers grammar and vocabulary together, so your speech becomes natural and automatic. Remember, phrases are the secret to fluency.
Rule 2. Don't study grammar rules. I know, your teachers probably told you grammar is everything. But Hoge says grammar rules actually slow you down. When you try to think of grammar before speaking, your brain freezes. Native speakers never think, should I use past perfect or present perfect? They just speak naturally because they've heard it thousands of times. So don't study grammar. Listen, read, and absorb grammar in real situations. That's how you learned your first language, right? Rule 3. Listen first. Listening is the foundation of all fluent speaking. When you listen a lot, you build what Hoge calls your English brain. Your ears train to recognize sounds, patterns, and rhythm. Even before you can speak perfectly, your brain is collecting real English data. So, before speaking, listen. Listen every day. Podcasts, YouTube, English movies, whatever you enjoy. The more you listen, the faster you'll speak naturally. Rule 4. Repeat deeply. This is a big one. Don't rush to learn hundreds of new lessons. Instead, repeat one lesson again and again, deeply. Listen to the same story, the same conversation, maybe 5, 10, or even 20 times. At first, it feels boring, but soon you'll understand every sound, every word, every emotion. That's when English becomes part of you. Deep learning creates confidence and automatic speaking, and that's what fluency really means. Rule 5. Use point-of-view mini stories. This rule is unique to Effortless English. It's a fun and powerful way to master grammar without studying rules. Here's how it works. You listen to one short story told in different time frames. Example, present, John goes to the store. Past, John went to the store. Future, John will go to the store. By listening and answering simple questions, your brain automatically learns grammar patterns without thinking, without stress. You don't even realize you're learning grammar, but you are.
Rule 6. Learn with your ears, not your eyes. Hoge says most English learners make one big mistake. They read too much and don't listen enough. If you want to speak English fluently, you must train your ears. Listen every day, even when you're tired, walking,
or cooking. Turn your free time into listening time. Your ears will become faster and your mouth will follow. The more you listen, the easier speaking becomes, because your brain starts to think in English.
Rule 7. Learn with emotion. This is my favorite rule, and maybe the most important one. Learning English should never feel like punishment. When you feel bored, your brain shuts down. But when you feel excited, curious, or inspired, your brain remembers better. So choose topics you love: music, movies, travel, or stories that make you laugh. Smile, move your body, use your hands, feel the emotion. English isn't just a language, it's an experience.
Final thoughts. Let's review the 7 rules one more time. Number 1. Learn phrases, not words. Number 2. Don't study grammar rules. Number 3. Listen first. Number 4. Repeat deeply. Number 5. Use point of view stories. Number 6. Learn with your ears, not eyes. And number 7. Learn with emotion. If you follow these rules every day, even just 30 minutes, your English will become faster, more natural, and more confident than ever before. Remember, fluency is not about perfection, it's about connection. So keep going, keep listening, and enjoy your English journey. Thanks for watching. I'm Anna. See you in the next lesson.